Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 2014 Evinrude Etec 65 horse, 20 inch with a new control box. It'll be an aftermarket box, but it is new. This one's had a new water pump impeller put in it, new gear lube, cleaned the fuel system, newer water pump impeller, new spark plugs, and then also it has 336 hours on it. Nice freshwater Minnesota motor. A lot of people are scared of the Evinrude Etecs now. I would not be. Parts are still plenty available if you need them. Fire it up here. You'll hear the beep because it's doing the check system. If the beep doesn't go off, shut your motor off. Let it warm up here for a minute. Pumping good water. Running forward. I think we got something in our tank. We've got a bolt or something floating around in the tank in there, it sounds like. In neutral. Reverse. That's got the tilt and trim on the control box and on the side of the motor. This side of the motor, I guess, on the Etecs. Shut her off. A great running motor. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Merry Christmas to all.